Let's practice English today describing our routine. I will tell you what my routine is in an usual day or week, answering a series of questions that will help us describe our routine more easily. So, to practice, I want you to pause the video once you read the question. Answer it with the vocabulary you already know, and then listen to how I answer it so that you can compare the answers and perhaps learn new vocabulary. What time do you get up every day? I want to tell you first that my routine isn't the same every day. On Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I usually wake up very early. I usually wake up at 5:30 because I start my first English class at 6 a.m. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, my first class starts at 8 a.m. So I usually wake up at 6:30. What do you usually eat for breakfast? What do I like to eat for breakfast? This is a good question. I really love eating for my breakfast eggs, arepa, and coffee. Yes, this is what I usually prepare for my breakfast. I like making some scrambled eggs, sunny side up eggs sometimes, and an arepa with some butter, some cheese, and a cup of black coffee with no sugar, no milk. Yeah, this is basically what I have for my breakfast. What do you do in the evening? In the evening, once I finish my classes, I like to start cooking my dinner. It is about 6:30 or 7. Afterwards, I always call up my parents to catch up on our days. And I also spend a short time scrolling on Instagram and YouTube. I also like to read. I really love reading about personal growth. So I do it sometimes. And this is what I do in the evenings. Later, after all of these things, I start getting ready to go to bed. And this is how we practiced English today, by answering some easy questions that truly helped us talk about our daily routine. Before ending, I highly recommend using this vocabulary regularly when talking about your habits and routine. Bye!